Welcome back to Kids Cooking Adventure, and today me and my brother will be making this delicious raspberry ripple cheesecake.
Let's get some ingredients.
You will need 250 grams of digestive biscuits, 125 grams of butter, 225 grams of caster sugar, 60 grams of icing sugar, 300 grams of fresh raspberries, 400 millilitres of double cream, 450 grams of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of cold water, and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Let's get started.
First you need to smack the biscuits.
With a rolling pin. Do you want to do that?
Yeah.
Right. Just keep going until the mixture looks like the biscuits look like red crumbs. So now that this is done, we need to melt the butter in a saucepan and then tip the digestive biscuits in. So make sure it's on a low heat because you don't want the butter to burn. So what you want to do is wait until all the butter is melted. So the butter is melted. Now what we need to do, pour the digestive biscuits into the melted butter and mix it thoroughly.
So Matt, is it ready?
Yes. Now what we need to do is align a 20cm baking tray with cling film. Make sure that it has a removable base. So tip that in. So now when it's all in, spread it out with your spoon slightly so it's even. Don't press it down yet. So now we will need a potato masher and just press down. This is ready. We need to make the raspberry puree. So you want to slightly mash them a bit so the juice can come out, and to make sure that you've mixed all the icing sugar in so there's no white powder left. So about 1 minute in, and by the end of this it should be a creamy sauce.
So while Matt's cooking the puree, we need to pour the water into the corn flour and mix it up.
So while it's still hot, sieve the puree into a bowl. We do this to get all the seeds and bits out. Right until it's all drained through. Then add the corn flour. So now that it's all sieved, you might want to mix it around with a spoon a little bit, otherwise it gets stuck in with the other raspberry bits. Now that this is ready, you need to add the corn flour mixed in with the water and mix it up. So now we put the cream cheese in a bowl. And the caster sugar. So Dan can mix that up while I whip the double cream. What you want to do is whip it until it's stiff. So while it's starting, the cream cheese is starting to come together, get your teaspoon of vanilla essence in. Mix that in. Now that it's stiff, the way to check is you lift it up and when you sprinkle it down, it doesn't go straight into the mixture, it's got like a layer on top. So when that's done, what you want to do is pour this in to the cheese and fold it in gently. Looks very nice, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
All mixed in nicely. We spread it on the top of the base, and then we put in the puree, because if we put it in now it will be folded in and you won't be able to taste it. So we put that in. Spoon it out, Dan.
All of it.
Just 2/3.
Okay. Okay. I think.
Now put the 2 blobs in. That big guy. Yeah. What we need to do is just spread it over the biscuit base. So when it's reasonably level, put 2/3 of the puree onto the mixture. Okay. And just spread it around a little bit. Right, so the raspberries are in.
So Matt, what do we do with the rest of the ingredients?
Good question, Dan. First, we put the cheese. Spin that out for me. The remaining cheese on top of the raspberry cheese. So now that the white cheesecake mixture is covering the raspberry cheesecake mixture, get your remaining puree and in lines, spread it. So what we want to do is dig holes in the cheesecake, so a cross-hatching pattern, and sprinkle them on top so that it falls in and creates a feathery effect. Don't worry if it goes a bit over the lines. It will turn out better when it goes into the fridge. So now that this is ready, leave it in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours, or even better, overnight.
So we can't taste it because we prepared it for a birthday party and we need to leave it whole.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do that by clicking the logo here. See you next time.
Bye!